Today we're installing a rear diff dual mount for my G82 M4. I have a Traffic Gray on Kailami 2024 M4 base 6-speed rear wheel drive. I was kind of skeptical of how good this thing would actually be, especially seeing how small it was in this piece. Make sure you subscribe if you like G82, G80X content. Much more to come, car shows, events, mods, builds, all those things to come on this channel. It's not really an install video, it's a quick little just overview of the install and driving with the car at first impressions. And honestly, this mod works extremely well worth the price. Let's get to the video. And then real quickly, what you get with the kit, you get the two pieces for the diff mount itself, two rubber bushings, and then a couple new bolts to bolt up to the diff with the mount here, and then for the bolt for the bushings. And then that's pretty much it. Jack it up. So we're gonna get the car on jack stands already. I'm gonna get underneath. That's just my blade to lay on so it's not as cold on the floor. And get the rear diff right there. Mounts up right around the exhaust. Let's see. All right, so it's fully installed. You can see it right there. Mounted up to the diff. You can see the little logo. Not that you'll ever really see it unless you're under the car, but cool little touch. Again, super easy to mount up. You literally just, you take off the 4 bolts. So you can see the little like ring, kind of horseshoe. There's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. You take those, you loosen them up a little bit, put a jack stand, a jack with a little like block or something underneath the rear diff, right in the middle. Just basically put a tiny bit of pressure on it just to kind of hold it in place. It's not going to fall anyways, but just a little bit of pressure to hold it in place, and then you're good. You take out all 4 little Torx bit bolts, and then you have 2 rubber bushings up in here. You put them in the holes, super easy to put in. And then I would put the bolt in with the back bushing, that way, because it's very tight to get in there if you're doing it without removing anything else. So put the bolt in, slide in the bushings on both sides, and then you're good to go with the bolt and the bushings. Just push them in as far as you can all the way against the brace of the car. And then all you're going to do there, line up this little J shape here, the reverse J shape there that you see going up underneath the car. And then you line up the bolts, hand tighten them, put it all back together, fully tighten everything up, get up to the top, tighten that bolt, and then you're good to go. Honestly, I would say it's well worth the investment of the rear diff brace or secondary diff mount, whatever you want to call it. Had it car fully warmed up, just ripped it in Sport Plus. Normally it kicked out. I would turn a little bit going straight. It definitely kicked out still, but normally you get that little bit of a wheel hop or that little like gritty feeling to it. It's the best way I can describe it, right? When you're going first and even second gear, depending on the power in your M. It's super smooth. It feels, the best way I can describe it is you feel more grounded from the bottom of the car, from the back of the car in the rear end, where obviously the diff is mounted up with this mount. It feels more grounded, more stable and secure. It's the best way I can describe it. I would say it's well worth it. If you get on the car even a little bit here and there when you drive, even if it's just daily driving, but you get on it here and there, I highly recommend getting this mod. I'll put the link in it. It's not sponsored or anything by them, but I'll put the link below if you want to check out Built to Kill Revving Racing for it. But I would highly recommend it. If you don't like that little wheel hop stuttering feel when you get on the car and it spins it all, highly recommend.